Hello friends, welcome to Allied Classes. Now in this topic we are going to discuss about prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. What is prokaryotic cell and what is eukaryotic cell? The difference between both of them. Now prokaryotic cell means a bacterial cell and eukaryotic cell may be animal cell or a plant cell. Animal cell or plant cell. The main difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell is of nucleus. Now, nucleus is absent in case of prokaryotic cell, whereas nucleus is present in case of eukaryotic cell. Nucleus is absent, whereas nucleus is present in eukaryotic cell. Now, the size of prokaryotic cell is 1 to 10 micro diameter, and the size of eukaryotic cell is 1 to 100 micro diameter. Prokaryotic cell is a single chromosomal cell. And eukaryotic cell is a multilinear chromosomal cell. Here, in case of prokaryotic cell, nucleus is absent, means the nuclear envelope is also absent. Nuclear envelope is absent. And in case of eukaryote, nucleus is present, means the nuclear envelope is also present. Now, as we know that the nucleus is absent in case of prokaryotic cell, so the transcription and translation occurs in the cytoplasm. Transcription and translation occurs in cytoplasm. Nucleus absent means all the nuclear material is suspended in the cytoplasm, so the transcription and translation process occur in the cytoplasm in case of prokaryotic cell. But in case of eukaryotic cell, there is a nucleus, so transcription takes place inside the nucleus and translation occurs in the cytoplasm. Transcription occurs in nucleus and translation occur in cytoplasm. Now we will talk about the ribosomes. In case of prokaryotic cell, ribosomes are of 70S type. Ribosomes are of 70S type, having two subunits. Subunits 30S the smaller subunit and 50S the larger subunit. And in case of eukaryotes, ribosomes are of ATS type having two subunits the smaller subunit is a 40S and the larger subunit is a 60S. Now we will talk about the cell organelle. Cell organelle now in case of prokaryotic cell, endoplasmic reticulum is absent. Endoplasmic reticulum is absent. And in case of eukaryotes, endoplasmic reticulum is present. In short, we called it as a ER, means endoplasmic reticulum. Now, the next cell organelle is Golgi complex. Golgi complex absent in case of prokaryotes, and in case of eukaryotes, Golgi complex is present. Golgi complex or the Golgi body is present. Golgi body is also known as a traffic center of the cell. Now, the next is lysosome. Lysosome is absent in case of prokaryotes and present in case of eukaryotes. Lysosome present. Lysosome also known as a suicide bag, because when the cell organelle get damaged, at that time this lysosome digest or engulf the own cell organelle. So it is known as a suicide bag. Now the next is mitochondria. Mitochondria absent in case of prokaryotes and present in case of eukaryotes. Mitochondria present. Mitochondria is also known as a powerhouse of the cell where the ATPs are synthesized. Now we will talk about the respiratory enzymes. In case of prokaryotes and eukaryotes, in both cases respiratory enzymes are present but their locations are different. Respiratory enzymes are present on the inner layer of plasma membrane. Inner layer of plasma membrane. And in case of eukaryotes, respiratory enzymes are present on the inner layer of mitochondria. Okay. Now, as we know that the prokaryotic cell is a bacterial cell, so in case of bacterial cell, flagella is present. Flagella present, whereas in case of eukaryotes, flagella is absent. Now we will talk about the cell division in case of prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Now we have seen that in case of prokaryote flagella is present and in case of eukaryote flagella is absent. Now we will talk about the cell division. Cell division. In case of prokaryotes, a mitosis type of cell division occurs. A mitosis type of cell division occur, or we can say binary fission. Binary fission. And in case of eukaryotes, mitosis type of cell division occurs. Now, as we know that this prokaryotic cell is a bacterial cell, so capsule is present means it is a capsulated cell. Capsule is present means it is a covering, protein coat. Now, it is a capsulated cell, whereas in case of eukaryote there is not a capsule present or a not protein coat is present, so it is non-capsulated cell. Non-capsulated cell. Now, in case of prokaryotic cell, plasmid is present, and in case of eukaryotic cell, plasmid is absent. Plasmid is present, plasmid is absent. Now, prokaryotic cell is a bacterial cell, so the cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan layer. Cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan layer. In case of eukaryotes, plant cell is made up of cellulose and animal cell is without cell wall. Animal cell is without cell wall. Now about the histone proteins. In case of prokaryotic cell, histone proteins are absent, and in case of eukaryotes, histone proteins are present. Histone proteins present. So this was the difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. So once again we will recall all the difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell is a bacterial cell, eukaryotic cell is an animal cell or a plant cell. The most main difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell is about nucleus. Nucleus is absent in case of prokaryotic cell. In case of eukaryotic cell, nucleus is present. The size of prokaryotic cell is 1 to 10 micro diameter, whereas the size of eukaryotic cell is 1 to 100 micro diameter. Prokaryotic cell is a single chromosomal cell and eukaryotic cell is a multilinear chromosomal cell. Nucleus is absent means the nuclear envelope is absent. Nucleus is present means the nuclear envelope is present. As nucleus is absent, transcription and translation occur in cytoplasm. As nucleus is present, transcription occurs in the nucleus and translation occur in the cytoplasm. In prokaryote, ribosomes are of 70S type having 2 subunit, 30 as the smaller subunit and the 50 as larger subunit. In case of eukaryotic cell, ribosomes are of 80S type having 2 subunits, 40 as the smaller subunit and 60 as the larger subunit. And we will talk about the cell organelle, difference between the cell organelles in prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell. Endoplasmic reticulum is absent in case of prokaryotes. Endoplasmic reticulum is present in case of eukaryotes. Now, Golgi complex is absent in prokaryotes. Golgi complex is present in eukaryotes. Lysosome suicide bags are absent. Lysosome suicide bags are present in case of eukaryotes. Mitochondria is absent in prokaryotes. Mitochondria is present in eukaryotes. It is a powerhouse of the cell. Respiratory enzymes are present on the inner layer of plasma membrane, whereas respiratory enzymes are present on the inner layer of mitochondria. In case of prokaryotic cell, flagella is present. In case of eukaryotic cell, flagella is absent. And the next, cell division. Cell division is a mitosis or a binary fission. In case of prokaryotes, cell division a mitosis or a binary fission in case of prokaryotes, whereas in case of eukaryotes, mitosis. Prokaryotic cell is a bacterial cell, so it is a capsulated cell. The protein coat is present on the cell wall. And in case of eukaryotic cell, it is non-capsulated cell. In prokaryotic cell, plasmid is present. In eukaryotic cell, plasmid is absent. Cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan in prokaryotic cell, and the plant cell is made up of cellulose. Animal cell is without cell wall. In case of prokaryotic cell, histone proteins are absent. In case of eukaryotic cell, histone proteins are present. So this was the difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Thank you friends for watching my video. Thanks.